If you're looking to create a stylish and elegant signature using the letter S, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to transform a simple S into a beautiful, flowing design that stands out. Whether you're practicing your signature for personal branding, documents, or just want to add a touch of class to your handwriting, mastering the letter S in a signature style is a great place to start. We'll explore different stroke techniques, balance, and flair that make the S look both professional and unique. Grab your pen and let's get started on creating a signature that truly reflects your style.
From the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.